Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of the Coach Court Weekender bag. So stay tuned. Just gonna read a little specs about the bag. So it's a nylon and refined pebble leather, inside zip and multifunctioning pockets, zip closure, fabric lining, handles with 9-inch drop, outside zip pocket, detachable straps, which you will see that you can wear as a crossbody or over the shoulder. And then there's 4 protective feet at the base, meaning there's like the little pegs that you can like actually sit it down. And then the sizing of this is 17 inches length by 10.5 inches height by 8 inches width. Again, you see all the spacing of the bag is really nice. It's really nice. And the color which I got it in was the navy blue. So there's like navy blue and light blue colors going on, and then all the hardware is gold. So stay tuned for the rest of the video as well. Well, in short, this is what the bag looks like. I'm really happy with my purchase. So until next time, guys, you already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.